Tonight I walk the same old street where we used to meet each night, and for a moment I could almost feel your hand holding mine so tight.
I never thought that leaving you would leave my heart this way. For even after all this time, I still miss you every day.
Do you remember all the songs we used to sing so low?
Do you remember all the dreams we never let go?
Tonight I still need you more than words could ever say. And though we're standing far apart, my heart still feels the same. Tonight I still need you, like the stars still need the sky. For no one else could ever heal the tears we hide inside. I try to smile for everyone and pretend that I moved on,
But every time I close my eyes, I know my love is still not gone.
if you came back tomorrow, I'd hold you close forever.
And if we found love once again, I'd leave you never.
Tonight I still need you, even more than yesterday.
And if our hearts still beat as one, why did we walk away?
Tonight I still need you, and perhaps you need me too.
For no matter where life takes us, I'll always be